Can you hear that, like, tone in the background? I have no idea what the fuck's that's from. Not the car. Huh. It stopped.